This is our compound semiconductor facility. We're making capital equipment for manufacturing compound semi devices. The markets we're serving are really fast moving, and the demographic of customer is changing very quickly. Having this facility is absolutely key to giving the right impression and actually showing that we can be the long-term partner for our customers.
This project's a big step for MiCiM into the semiconductor industry. Not a huge difference in terms of what we see on site, but the technical elements to it are different. And my role in that was leading an engineering project management team to deliver the end goal for the client, which is a new facility.
Severn Beach is the home of our compound semiconductor business. So we're making capital equipment that's used for making electrical components that go into leading edge products like mobile phones, augmented reality glasses and products of that nature. The old building we had become end of life and we'd really run out of opportunities to expand the operation.
We met Oxford Instruments at their old facility, walked through the issues they have with that facility and their vision of what they want to see for this facility, holding their hand through that process and explaining what we can do to help, basically. So I'm most proud of the clean room. Again, it's something very different to what we are used to. The processes to follow and the ISO levels, so the ISO air purity levels were ISO 5 and ISO 6, so are very clean, low particles in the air. It's challenging processes to go through on site to make sure that everyone's following those protocols.
This new facility will enable us to scale efficiently as the business grows. The clean room we have here is absolutely world class and it's genuinely within a handful of clean rooms worldwide in this industry. The feedback from the team has been really positive about the new facility. At a simplistic level, the working environment is much improved over the old facility, including things like the new canteen that we didn't have in our old building. What's really exciting is how proud people are of what they've created, and it enables a platform for the future of this business and a chance to really do things differently.
So having worked on the Oxford Instruments project and the high specification that we delivered gives me confidence that MiCiM can turn their hand to other sectors and other specifications and challenges and deliver successfully.